We'll start easy and slow. So in this session, we'll focus on adding the final product, the styling balm, to the template. Before we do that, I'll quickly teach you about soft edges and shadows. Start by adding a new slide, then drag in the transparent styling balm. You can find it in the materials provided. The image will likely be much larger than needed, so right-click and select Crop. Then, drag the edges of the image inward until you have a more manageable size. Now, center the image and enlarge it slightly for better visibility. Here, you might notice a small white edge. This happened because I was a bit sloppy when converting it to a transparent image. We can remove this by right-clicking on the image and selecting Format Picture. Then, go to Soft Edges and adjust the size. This function removes part of the edge, making the image look smoother and clearer. Once you find an edge size you like, you can slightly rotate the image by clicking and dragging the rotation wheel on the image. Then go to Slide 4, Beard Oil, right-click, and select Duplicate Slide. Here, you can see that I've already added a shadow to the brown background. Let me show you how. Click on the background, or go to the Home tab, select Arrange, and then click the Selection pane. In the Selection pane, you can easily click on any object. You can also find this feature by searching for it in the search bar. Once you've selected the correct object, go to the Formatting pane. As you just learned, it should also be available on the right side as an icon if you've already used it. Then, navigate to the Effects section. Click Shadows, then go to Presets and select No Shadow. Now, you can see that the shadow has been removed from the object. Now, let's reapply the shadow. Go back and click Shadows, then go to Presets and select Outer Right. Here, we just need to tweak a few settings. Set transparency to 0, size to 104, and blur to 100. There we go. In the next session, we'll add the styling balm to the template.